You already know about price tracking, cashback apps, and coupon stacking. But there is a whole other level of saving that most shoppers never discover. Buying discounted gift cards, comparing prices across hundreds of stores with Google Shopping, negotiating directly with customer service, using extensions that test every coupon code automatically, and getting cash back for shopping in physical stores. These 5 advanced hacks could save you hundreds more each year. Today, we are taking your money-saving game to the next level. Secret number 1. Buy discounted gift cards before you shop. Gift cards are not just presents. They're a way to get instant discounts at stores you already use. Websites like Card Cash, Raise, and Gift Card Granny sell unwanted gift cards at a discount. You can buy a $100 Home Depot card for $90. That is a 10% saving before you even walk into the store. The cards are legitimate. People sell them when they do not need them. You can buy them for hundreds of retailers: Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Nike, Starbucks, and even Amazon. The discounts vary, but you can often find 5 to 15% off. Some sites offer a money-back guarantee if the card does not work. The process is simple. Buy the card, get the code by email, add it to your store account, or print it out. Then shop as usual. You can even stack this with cashback apps and coupons. For example, buy a discounted Best Buy card at 8% off, then use Rakuten for another 2% cashback and add a coupon code. That is 3 layers of savings before you even buy. Most people never think of this, but it is completely legal and safe. There are also card exchange kiosks in some grocery stores where you can buy discounted cards on the spot. Sites like Card Cash also have a feature where you can sell your own unwanted gift cards. So if you receive a card for a store you never use, you can convert it to cash or trade it for a card you will use. This is a great way to recycle value. One tip: always check the card balance immediately after purchase. Reputable sites offer a guarantee, but it is better to verify. Also, look for cards with no expiration date or fees. Some cards from banks have monthly dormancy fees, so avoid those. Stick with retailer-issued cards. Over a year, buying discounted gift cards for your regular spending can save you 5 to 10% on everything: groceries, gas, clothes, electronics. That is free money. Secret number 2. Use Google Shopping to find the absolute lowest price. Do not just check Amazon and Walmart. Use Google Shopping. Type the product name followed by shopping or go directly to shopping.google.com. It scans hundreds of stores at once and shows you the lowest price, including shipping costs. You can filter by condition, new, used, refurbished, by store rating, and by distance if you want in-store pickup. Google Shopping often finds prices that are 20 to 30% lower than Amazon because it includes smaller stores and clearance items. For example, I was looking for a specific monitor. Amazon had it for $300. Google Shopping found the same monitor at a lesser-known electronics store for $239 with free shipping. That is a $60 saving in 30 seconds. You can also set price alerts. If an item drops to your target price, Google notifies you. This tool is free and works on any device. Most people ignore it because they assume Amazon has the best price. That is an expensive mistake. Another feature is the Price Comparison tab directly in Google search results. When you search for a product, click the Shopping tab. Google will show you listings from multiple stores with prices and ratings. You can also see historical price graphs for some items. This is especially useful for expensive items like laptops, phones, and appliances. I recommend always checking Google Shopping before any purchase over $50. The time investment is minimal, and the savings can be substantial. Also, use the Filter by Nearby Stores option if you want to pick up the item immediately and avoid shipping fees. Sometimes the same product is cheaper in a physical store than online. Google Shopping shows you both. Secret number 3. Negotiate with customer service for a partial refund. Many online stores have a live chat option. Use it. Even if the store does not have a formal price match policy, you can ask for a discount. Be polite and honest. Say something like, "I love this product, but I found it cheaper on another site. Can you match the price?" Or, "This is my first purchase from your store. Do you have any welcome discount?" Or, I am buying several items. Can you give me a 10% off code? Customer service agents are often authorized to give small discounts to close a sale. They have codes and flexibility. You just have to ask. I have personally saved over $200 in the last year by simply asking. One time, I bought a $500 item and asked if they could reduce the price because I saw a competitor had it for $475. They matched it immediately. Another time, they gave me free shipping when I pointed out that the shipping cost was higher than expected. The worst they can say is no. The best is you save money. It takes 2 minutes and costs nothing. This hack works especially well on electronics, furniture, and clothing sites. Also, if an item goes on sale shortly after you bought it, contact support and ask for a price adjustment. Many stores have hidden price match policies that apply to their own sales. For example, Best Buy and Target will refund the difference if the price drops within 14 days. But even if they do not have a published policy, asking nicely often works. I once bought a jacket from a small online store, and a week later it was 20% off. I sent a polite email, and they refunded the difference as a store credit. That was $30 saved. The key is to be polite, not demanding. Customer service agents are people who want to help. If you are respectful, they're more likely to accommodate you. Secret number 4. Use browser extensions that test every coupon code automatically. You probably know about Honey, but there are several extensions that do the same thing: Capital One Shopping, Rakuten, and Coopert. They work in the background. When you are on a checkout page, they automatically pop up and test dozens of coupon codes. They find codes you have never heard of. They even try codes that are expired because sometimes they still work. I have seen savings of 15 to 20% from codes that were not listed anywhere else. These extensions also compare prices across stores and offer cashback. Capital One Shopping will even show you if the same item is cheaper on another website while you are shopping. They are completely free. They make money from affiliate commissions. You do not pay anything. Install them once and forget about them. The next time you check out, you will be surprised at how much they save you. One warning: do not install too many at once because they can conflict. Choose 2, Honey and Rakuten, or Capital One Shopping and Coopert. That is enough. Also, some extensions have a feature that automatically applies the best code at checkout without you even clicking a button. That is the most convenient. I recommend enabling that feature. Also, check the extension settings to turn on price tracking. They can notify you when an item you looked at drops in price. This is like having a personal shopper who watches prices for you. Over a year, these extensions can save you hundreds of dollars with zero effort. The only downside is that they collect some browsing data, but for most people, the savings are worth it. Secret number 5. Link your credit card to cashback apps for in-store purchases. Most cashback apps only work online, but Dash, Drop, and Pay give you cashback when you shop in physical stores. You link your credit card or debit card to the app. Then, when you swipe that card at a participating store, you automatically get cashback deposited into your account. You do not have to scan receipts or click links. It happens automatically. Participating stores include Walmart, Target, Best Buy, McDonald's, and thousands of local restaurants and shops. Cashback rates range from 1% to 10%. Some offers are as high as 25% for specific items. The app even shows you offers near you. You can also get cashback on gas, groceries, and even online shopping through their portals. Dash has a minimum payout of $25, but they send it to your PayPal or bank account. Drop gives you points that convert to gift cards. These apps are free and take 5 minutes to set up. Most people do not use them because they do not know they exist. But once you link your card, you never have to think about it again. Over a year, this can add up to $100 or more in cashback from purchases you were already making. There is a catch. You need to check the app before you shop to see which stores offer cashback. Some offers are time-limited, but even if you forget, many stores are always on the list. Another tip: use a dedicated credit card for all your spending and link that card to the app. That way, you get cashback on every purchase automatically. Some of these apps also offer sign-up bonuses. For example, Dosh sometimes gives $5 just for linking your first card. That is free money. Also, you can stack in-store cashback with store loyalty programs and coupons. So the same purchase can give you 1% from Dosh, 1% from Target Circle, and 5% from a manufacturer coupon. That is 7% off without any effort. So start linking your cards today. These 5 advanced hacks are easy to implement. Buy discounted gift cards. Use Google Shopping. Negotiate with customer service. Install coupon testing extensions. Link your credit card to in-store cashback apps. The money you save will add up fast. Start today. Your wallet will thank you. Subscribe for more money-saving cheats. Check out my Ko-Fi page for an ebook with 50 more secrets. And follow me on X at CheckoutCheats for daily tips. Thanks for watching. CheckoutCheats out.